Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. It has been far too long since I've made a video. I have just been slammed with just about everything you can imagine. I actually just got back from another road trip picking up another project car for my other channel. So if you're into old cars, you might want to check out my other channel. Also guys, in the notes below there's going to be promo codes and discount codes for Aviate, Spinnaker, Ballast. And, if you're into any of those watches, click through, save yourself some money. We're going to do a box opening today for my watchgang black membership watch for August. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check, and you'll see I'm wearing one of my other watchgang black watches. This was that Boulder Explorer 2 GMT that I got. And, man, when I first got this watch, I didn't like it that much. I wasn't that into it, but I love this thing. I have beat the holy crap out of this thing, and it still looks great. I mean, right now, honestly, it smells like oil and gasoline because it's a watch I wear all the time when I'm working on other projects and other things, and it still looks new. It doesn't look beat up at all, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what I got for my black membership watch for August. Let's see here. Jerome Lamar. One of my platinum watches was a Jerome Lamar. I haven't gotten anything on their black tier level. Let's take a look at what we got. Ooh. Came with a leather strap and a bracelet on this one. There's a model number, MSRP $495. Let's see here. Japanese chronograph movement, all stainless. So I'll have to do some research to find out what the movement is. Kind of like the magnified date window there at 4, which is cool. I like that sunburst effect on that green dial. That is a good looking watch for my $99 subscription. Let's go ahead. I don't want to fumble around for 5 minutes trying to pull all the plastic off, but we'll throw it on wrist real quick so you can see what it looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. So far, the only thing that kind of jumped out at me is I'm not sure that I like the markers using the 12 and the 6 and having that much of the 12 cut off. Other than that, I think that's a pretty sweet looking watch for my watchgang black subscription. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more watches today. Hopefully this isn't the only video I'm able to get to today. As always, guys, thanks for watching.